NITK Surathkal is a lush green campus of over to 90 plus acres. Surathkal, situated amidst both the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea, experiences heavy rainfall in the months of June to September, mild winters from November to February, and best of summers between March and May. Lean grass and weeds grow rapidly in the rainy months, and they require constant trimming and mowing to maintain the beautiful landscape. The office of the resident engineer is responsible for all landscaping and maintaining the beauty in the campus. For this purpose, RE office staff have to keep commuting in the institute daily. RE and his staff were using an IC engine-based two-wheeler for day-to-day commuting while also carrying the required tools. On an average, they travel 1500 kilometers per month, which not only amounts to significant fuel cost but also environmental impact. With Vidyuk 2.0, their job has become much easier, wherein they can easily load and carry the required gardening tools like grass cutter, hand trowel, spades, garden forks, or even the fuel for grass cutting machine in the wireframe utility baskets provided at the front and rear of the vehicle.
REAPS ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಇಡೀ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಮತ್ತು NITK ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಸಾಮಾನುಗಳು ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್, ಮರ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್, ತುಂಬ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ಸಾಮಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಮಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಂಡೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮುಂಚೆ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ CST ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡಿದ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಹಿಕಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ.
The utility boxes are rust proof and also water resistant. These utility baskets can further be used creatively to place helmets when parked, or food and water delivery to workers, etc. Once charged fully, the entire campus can be commuted without the need to charge again. Vidyuk 2.0 is an EV in the Vidyuk series, designed and developed for the RE office of NITK Surathkal. Vidyuk 2.0 is ergonomically designed by taking into account the rider's comfort, storage, and utility. Vidyuk 2.0, an e-scooter in par with electric scooters of the global market, is a dedicated product for NITK campus. The in-house developed scooter has a light frame that makes it perfect to maneuver through NITK campus. The distinctive head panels and front panels were manufactured using powder-based, multi-jet fusion 3D printing technology. Battery is housed below the seat, thus saving a lot of space and also contributing to a compact design. Vidyuk 2.0 is powered by brushless DC, BLDC motors. These motors possess a high torque density and superior efficiency due to employment of high energy permanent magnets. The motor is of 250 watt, 48 volt battery and gives about 60 kilometers with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour and nominal charging time of around 3 hours. Like all the commercial EVs in the market, currently Vidyuk 2.0 uses BLDC motors for traction. The major disadvantage of BLDC motors is the usage of permanent magnets, which restricts the maximum speed of the vehicle. Alternative to the existing permanent magnet BLDC motors, switched reluctance motor SRM, being both magnetless and brushless in nature, seems to be a viable candidate which can provide equivalent torque densities and in power efficiency.
I am very happy to note that the requirement for e-mobility, which was a long-standing requirement of the institute, has been successfully completed by the efforts of the Center for System Design. This e-scooter has been developed from scratch by the researchers, the team of researchers, professors, and non-teaching staff working at CST. It is to their credit that they have been able to build such a system which is working so well and is actually being deployed very extensively by personnel of the RE office and by personnel of the garden office to go about discharging their responsibilities. I thank the students who have been involved on this project. I thank the research scholars, and I thank all faculty members as well as non-teaching staff of the institute who have come together to deliver this much required solution. I hope and I wish that we will be seeing many such products coming out from CST, and I request the alumni fraternity to come forward to support this very noble activity that has been initiated. Thank you.
Vidyut series are e-mobility aligned with the government policies for EVs exclusively for campus mobility, designed and developed by Center for System Design, NITK Surathkal. Being made in NITK products, Vidyut series are in a nutshell offering energy efficient, emission free and low cost transportation.